think dreams stayed forever, like feelings untouched by time. But some things bloom only once, right before goodbye. I spend my nights talking to shadows, trying to hear what nobody saw. Everybody moved with a purpose, I just carried silent thoughts. Then one day I felt your presence, like color inside the gray. A flower growing through the darkness just before it fades away. Crimson petals in the cold wind, beautiful but hard to hold. Like memories that never leave you, even when they grow old. In my dreams, you stayed. In real life, you changed. Same heart, same pain, nothing feels the same. Between the lines, between goodbye and a lie, a crimson flower blooming where all memories hide. Some dreams never leave us even after they fade. Some hearts keep beating through the hurt and rain. Maybe love was never meant to stay forever in our hands. Maybe it was only meant to teach us who we are. I heard some flowers bloom alone near the roads where souls move on, and somehow that reminded me of every part you left in me. I chased dreams to feel complete, but reality walked beside me. Now every scar and every step feels like proof I really lived. And maybe life keeps changing shapes, maybe nothing truly stays, but certain feelings never died, they just learn to live inside. Now I wake inside the life I once wished for every night, still learning how to carry what I couldn't leave behind. Between the lines, between the dark and light, a crimson flower growing through the lonely night. Some people lose themselves trying too hard to hold on. Some people learn too late that nothing truly belongs. Maybe we were always meant to break before we grow. Maybe every goodbye teaches the heart to know. Yeah, I used to think dreams would save me, pull me out when the world went crazy. But real life got scars, real life got weight. Sometimes love arrives a little too late, and nobody talks about what remains after the tears and the old last names. After the moment you finally see, some people become memories. That crimson flower still blooms in silence, like pain and beauty living together. Not every ending was made to last. Some things are beautiful because they pass, so now I walk with both of me, the dream I had in reality. And maybe healing ain't moving on, maybe it's learning to carry the song. If love disappears, why does it still bloom? Why do old memories still fill up the room? Maybe hearts are gardens where lost feelings stay, and every crimson flower reminds us what remains. Between the lines, between dream and real life, a crimson flower reaching for a little more light. Dreams gave me hope, reality left scars, but somewhere in the middle is the truth of who we are. Some flowers bloom in sadness, some hearts survive the pain, and even after goodbye, love still remains. Some flowers bloom at endings, not beginnings. Maybe that's why they're unforgettable.